Hello, I'm Daniel Liang. Welcome to Python programming. We create the videos to supplement Revel for Python programming. Revel for Python programming is an interactive ebook with built-in exercises. Instructors can assign the exercises to students, and the exercises are auto-graded. The Revel book uses many interactives to engage students and help students learn better. Before the lecture, students study the book with the help of the videos. During the lecture, we address the questions from students and give online quizzes and programming exams. The book has 23 chapters. They can be grouped into 3 parts. The first part is on fundamentals programming from chapter 1 to chapter 8. This part is a stepping stone to prepare students for the journey of learning programming with Python. The second part is on object-oriented programming from chapter 9 to chapter 14. This part introduces object-oriented programming in Python. The third part is from chapter 15 to chapter 23, is on algorithms and data structures. This part introduces the main subjects in a typical data structures course. We hope you enjoy the Revel for Python book. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.